How to share screen on Zoom Mobile. First, open the Zoom app and join a meeting as you normally would. At the bottom of the screen, tap the share button which looks like an up arrow inside the box. A menu will pop up with different options, and here you'll need to select screen. When you choose this, Zoom might ask for permission to record or broadcast your screen, so make sure to allow it for the feature to work. Once you start sharing, everything on your device will be visible to others in the meeting, including apps, photos, or documents you open. You can freely switch between apps while sharing, and Zoom will continue to show exactly what's on your screen in real time. If you're doing a presentation, walking through steps, or showing a file, this makes it easy for everyone to follow along. To stop sharing, just tap the red bar at the top of your screen or hit Stop Share to return to your regular meeting view. With just a few taps, Zoom makes it simple to share your mobile screen and keep everyone engaged in the discussion. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.